Hey, what's up? My name is Donovan Green. If you've never been to the channel, welcome to 30-Minute Fat Burn. We are here to teach you how to work out with your injuries, or if you don't have an injury. We teach you how to baby yourself through the injuries, but not necessarily making the workouts easy, but allowing yourself to heal. And then as you progressively get better, then you can step yourself up to the fit camp. Today, we're going to go through a chair exercise. You might hear the word chair and think it's for old people. Absolutely not. At least not this guy. So what are you going to learn from this channel? You're going to learn all types of things about nutrition, about fitness, about the mindset. All right, if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like and leave your comments, because the more you leave your comments, the more you like these videos, the more YouTube will help to spread the word and share these videos across the platform. All right, so you ready? I'm going to use some 5-pound dumbbells. You don't have to go heavy. You can go as heavy as you want to. However, this is going to be a quick in and out workout. We're going to hit total body. All right, let's get started right away. First thing I'm going to start off with is just a little bit of lower body movement. I'm resting the dumbbells right here. We're going to lift up and march it back and forth. Now, what I'm doing here is, if you can see how I'm holding the dumbbells, I'm making sure that my legs is lifting the dumbbells and not my arms. I'm just using my arms to keep the dumbbells from falling. That's it. Sit up nice and tall. Pull the shoulders back. Pull those abs in. There it is. Keep on marching. We have about 20 more seconds to go. That's just my guesstimation. There it is. Keep it up. Keep on breathing in and out. Now I'm going a little higher now. I'm actually going to go much higher. I'm going to challenge you. Go a little higher. You have 8 seconds. Come on. We're going to go to calf raises in 3, 2, 1. All right, from here, just lifting the heels off the ground, sitting up tall. I'm getting up as high as possible here. I want to feel the muscles working right in the back of these legs. Remember, pull those abs in. Inhale, exhale. If you're doing it right, you should already feel the burn already. And we just got started. Come on, keep it up. Pull your shoulders back. It's too soon to start slouching. Don't slouch. Come on. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Can you feel that burn? Because I feel it a lot. Whew. Oh, that feels good, though. We got this. We got this. 15 seconds left. We're going to go to arm curls next, right? Working the biceps. We're going to do 2 combos and time. Good. So look at me. Palms are in, then palms out. Let's go. Sit up tall. Now, if you have different levels of weights, you can feel free to go heavier for some of these exercises and go lighter for the other. You know, you could always change it up. Now, if you look how I'm sitting down, I'm lifting up, right? My chest is up. My shoulders are back. Big inhale, big exhale. That's it. Keep it going. Nice, we're looking good. You're not done yet, though. You ain't nowhere close to being finished. We're going to be here for 2 more days. Woo, that burns. Why is it burning on the 5-pound dumbbells? Because I'm squeezing the muscles. I'm not waiting for the weights to work. So it doesn't matter how heavy those dumbbells are. You have to be the one to squeeze those fibers. Got it? We have 3 seconds. We're going to go to those shoulders next, raising above the head and coming to the front. All right, here we go. Look, I'm going to go up, come down, and lift. So you're getting a lot of movements here. You're getting the biceps right here, reverse curls, pressing to the top, working the front delts here, and you're working the medial delts there, mid-shoulders. Stay controlled, stay tight. Now remember, move at your pace. Don't worry about the pace that I'm moving. Focus on your tempo. Oh, that feels great. Keep it up. You're not done yet. We have at least 20 seconds left of that burn. Come on, you're not there yet. 5 seconds, come on, put a smile on your face. You can yell, scream, ain't nobody coming to help you anyway, so just might as well go through the routine. Yep, and time. Good. Side bends. I'm going to go left, come back into the middle, go right, back to the middle, all right? When you go into the side, make sure you're feeling that squeeze. You want to feel the stretch on the right when I go towards the left. And when you go towards the left, you want to feel the stretch on the right. And then you contract in the opposite side. So you're feeling everything here. Now, if you want to go a little bit more intense, you can lift the arms up. Try to get the arms under the armpit. That's going to really activate more fibers. Just as simple as it looks, that little small adjustments make a heck of a difference. Woo, that's it. Come on. Oh, that feels good. Keep on going. Big inhale, big exhale. Oh, can you feel it? Because I feel it a lot. Yes. Give me 2 more on each side, and then we'll move on to the next. That's 1 and 2. Good. Legs are going to come in together, feet together, arms together. We're going to open and come back in here, okay? We're going to go for the whole 1,000 repetitions. Are you ready? All right. Here we go. Elbows up. Don't drop your elbows down. Let's go. 1. Stay with me in this count. 2. Don't leave me here. 3. We're in this together. 4. Legs move with the arms. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 1. That's it. Come on. 2. When those arms comes together. 3. Squeeze the chest muscles. 4. Like you have a quarter between the center of your chest. 5. 6. 7. Don't let your arms drop. Come on. Keep them up. 8. Stay strong. 9. 10. 5 more. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1 more. And 1. Whoo, that burns. That felt so good. All right. Now, let's put those weights down for a bit. We're going to do back to those knee marches. We started off with the legs here. Now I'm going to put the hands like this behind the head. And we're going to go 1 here, okay? You ready? Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm staying tight here, staying compacted, meaning I'm crunching in. I'm not lifting on myself tall like here. I'm crunching in. I'm staying contracted here so my stomach can get some of that work. And every time I twist, I want to feel all of this right here working, all of here. Right those obliques. Do me a favor, don't pull your neck though, okay? Your hands are behind the head, but don't use the hands to pull your neck. If you can't stop yourself from pulling your neck, put your hands to the side of your ear like this. That's going to work way better for you. Come on, keep it going. 10 more seconds. I'm laughing. I know why I'm laughing. Woo! 10 more seconds. Yeah. Come on. Hang in there with me. Don't give up yet. Come on. It's almost over. You got more than 10 seconds. Come on. 15 seconds. How about that? I'll give you a little bit more work. You want results, right? Results ain't going to come when you just want to go easy. Okay? Nothing comes easy, man. Nothing. Let's go. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and time. That's what I'm talking about. That is what brings the results the way we need to get them. All right? Let's go to the back of those arms because I know you need to get those arms shaped up and they need to get stronger. Okay, look. I'm going to lean forward. Elbows are going to go from here. And I'm going to kick back and come right here. I'm not going back up here, okay? A lot of times I see people doing this and doing this. No, right here. You ready? Here we go. We're going to go for 40 reps. Yeah, 40. We're almost done. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, come on. 3, squeeze. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay strong. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I love that. Put them down. We're going to hold those arms out for about a good 60 seconds, and then it's over, all right? I promise you. We're going 3, 2, 1, and hold. Big inhale, big exhale. It looks easy as heck. Now keep in mind, what I'm doing, I'm sitting up tall, I'm pulling my abs in, I'm pulling the arms back because I want to feel my shoulder blades contracting. They're touching each other, okay? They're connecting to one another. I'm lifting my chest up. Spread those fingers out. That's it, come on. Now, we're gonna start to fly. We're gonna go up and down, okay? We're gonna do that for the last 30 seconds. Ready? Let's go up and down. Start flying. Good, good, good. Come on, keep those arms extended. I know it's burning right now. At least for me, it's burning. I don't know about you, but I know I'm burning. And that's what I need. 15 seconds left. Come on. We got this. Whew. Be proud of yourself. 10 seconds. Yes. Woo. 3, 2, 1. And that's it. Wow. Shoulders on fire. Great work. That's what I'm talking about. Fitness happens anytime, anywhere. That's what I've been preaching for years, and I'm never going to stop. You don't need to be doing an hour of exercise in one setting, unless you are training for a specific sport or if you just enjoy the time. But a lot of us don't have the time to be in the gym, and, you know, that's why people don't go and work out, because they think they have to do an hour. You don't have to do an hour. We just did 10 minutes. And guess what? We got 30 minutes. We got 20 minutes. We got 5 minutes. We have 2 minutes. As long as you're doing stuff throughout the day and you're staying active, that's what matters. Don't forget, if you're not a member to the website, head on over to 30minutefatburn.com. Become a member today. Do the monthly subscription. Trust me, your support helps me. I don't know what it is, but I'm telling you, I feel empowered. I feel inspired. I feel amazing. I want to thank all of my subscribers, every last one of you who leave those comments. Just keep on leaving those comments. Keep on engaging with me, because I'm reading every last one of them. All right, this is Donovan Green telling you that your body is just a body until you make it a what? A temple, baby. And I'll see you later. Peace.